This is vlog number 2, man. This time, man, we brought y'all something special, man. Patel Brothers. Y'all see it, Patel Brothers, man. Never been here before.
Real Indian shit.
Yeah, real Indian shit, you know what I'm saying? We're not even really supposed to be in here. I think they're gonna tell us we can't record. Man, they got the, damn. They got the real shit in here, y'all. They got the NLE chopper stuff in here. Nah, dude, it smells like straight pure ingredients in this motherfucker. Okay, what is this?
They probably got some good prices on meat too.
Yeah, they got guava and shit. Bruh. I feel like my insides is getting clean just from walking through this bitch. Man, they got the patties, y'all. Oh my god, y'all. What we gonna do? What we gonna do, man? What we gonna do? What are we gonna do, man? They got the baddies in here. This shit is crazy. This shit is crazy. Oh my god. And they got like, look at this. And they got the goddamn, like, what is this? Can't go. Oh no, that's what we was doing while you was over here. We was having a whole turn up. Green coconut, dry coconut. Damn, man, this shit's a blessing, man. Look at this, y'all. I don't know what none of this shit is, y'all. Woo, this look like some curry balls, boy. What's this? Okay, nah, I would not eat this. Raisins, cashews. See, that's my pet peeve with Indian food. A lot of Indian food has nuts in it, and I can't eat tree nuts. So majority of this shit, if I try it, nigga, I'll be done. I'll be out for the count. Now this guava?
I know, that's what I was looking at.
Trying to put y'all on, chat.
I was looking at this.
Oh yeah, let's go ahead and come something. It's that real overseas shit, y'all. And the boxes, y'all. What y'all know about that, man?
Not concentrate on my life.
Where'd you get yours from?
Right there.
Is this actual rolls?
Basil seed.
Oh yeah, I'm not ready for that. This chopper shit for real. Alright, where's the guava? Alright, man, y'all know, I mean, at this point, it's really a food channel, y'all, because we just trying everything. They got my favorite song playing in the back. Let me stop y'all before I get kicked out. I wonder if they got meats and stuff back here, too. This is dessert? Oh, this dessert? Oh. My bad. I thought that was a deli, y'all. That's why I had one back there. Let's watch these, man. Whoa.
This shit probably be happy as fuck, man.
Bruh, you could probably make some fire-ass shit out of this stuff, though, man. Like, if you was really just trying to cook at the crib one time, you could probably get some crazy-ass flavors out of it.
That's crazy, because I don't even know what half this shit is.
Me either. I've never seen it. This is the first time I've ever seen this shit.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't even see this in Dubai.
That's crazy.
Yeah, but one thing never changes. They definitely still got the Mexicans working.
Oh, yeah, you got to. You got to.
Everybody gonna keep them working.
International.
Ooh, I know they rice be hitting.
Oh, yeah.
See, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. See, what I do, and when I go to restaurants and stuff, you just look at other people's carts who usually always go here, and that's how you can figure out all the fire stuff. So while you walking by, you know what I'm saying, I can just really get a glimpse with the camera, and then I just go search that stuff, and then I know what to get. You know what I'm saying? Instead of me searching from scratch. These be hitting too, though. And the flatbreads, these right here too.
And none.
More. Oh, that's flour. That was rice. Ooh, that should look good. They even sell actual Alright, I had that.
What?
Punjabi. Oh, y'all, they Slick got the crazy Amazon store in here. Sheesh. It's like kind of hard, dude. Huh?
They have Apple Pay.
Yeah, they probably do. Oh, y'all, they got the overseas lace. Indian magic lace. Bro, they got the overseas chips too. You about to eat something with cream in it out of everything in the store?
So yeah, man, what you like?
Slick, you gotta get one of these.
What? Nah, hell no. I get that shit in the regular store.
This look like the sweet section though. Damn, they got a fat ass iPad watching us too. Big no stealing, y'all, no stealing. They watching y'all. Damn, and they got another big ass flat screen watching you again. Oh, the chili line.
Spanish joints.
Right, you know they got it's a lot of foreign options chat when they got a black man stumbled on what chips to get.
I ain't even gonna do it though, because I just had that pizza. My
You can eat the chips when you wake up.
nah, I don't know. Straight on.
I really wanted to see the candy section. That's what I didn't see.
Oh.
I don't know which one. They don't say. They don't have no thing on it though. Ready to eat? Yeah, none of them say candy. Which I don't really expect them to, but it's just like.
Is there a candy aisle? Where?
You candy?
Oh, this is right here.
Oh, but no aisles down there. But none in the aisles. No. Okay. Like, we see this.
Yeah.
We trying to figure out if it's something somewhere else. Babe, did we you? Yeah, chat, we funny as hell. They got ginger candy. Chat, they got ginger candy. Bro, they got the stuff that you put on your hands too. You know the like hints of stuff they be putting on their hands? This is like the stuff that you squirt out and put on your hands, like the black stuff. Yeah, but that's about it. I wonder what the thing is outside with the food thing.
Fireworks.
Fireworks? That ain't no fireworks.
What's that on the thing?
No way. Damn. It's a big ass rice thing, y'all. Where's the ingredients at? I just want to see if their ingredients got 10,000 things like our ingredients got. Nope. Just rice. The only ingredient is rice, y'all. That's the difference between America and everybody else. Natural shit, not fucking 15,000 different, what you call it. Oh, they do? Slick, gotta see what that ice cream talking about, chat. Hey, Slick, got the... no, I don't think I'm messing with none of this, y'all. Too fruity.
I don't need a big ass.
It's almost like sherbet though. Ice cream with chocolate fruits and nuts. This look fire, y'all. This look legendary. Slick should have brought Ronick with me. He could probably tell me what this stuff was.
I thought Ronnie was the other kind of Indian.
I I'm pretty sure they eat the same food though.
Nah, I mean like American.
What do you mean American? What do you mean American Indian?
Cherokee or some shit.
That's a good question. That's a good question. I always assumed he wasn't. And especially after meeting his mom and stuff, I always assumed that he wasn't. But I have to ask. Because I really don't know. I don't want to say the wrong thing. That's a good question. I'm going to have to ask him that, man. Chat, y'all remind me to ask Ronick, man, if he is Native American or if he's actually Indian. You know what I'm saying? Because it is a difference. I think he's actually Indian, though. Especially with some of the females he's tried to talk to.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But at the same time, I don't know, because he's also told me that some of them have kind of like, not cussed him out, but kind of like was telling him, yeah, you'll never be blah, blah, blah. And that might have been the reason.
You said what?
I remember when he was talking to Ashna that.
Mad hard.
You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it, y'all. I thought, how you doing? I thought this was food. He told me it was fireworks, but I didn't believe him. Yeah. Okay.
Don't need them.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta tell him because sometimes.
Hey, you gotta put disclaimers and everything.
Yeah. The Pokemon stuff. How does the Pokemon stuff work?
They're fountains.
It is getting to that time of year too.
When you light it, shoots out the ears and the sides and the.
Oh.
Like a little sparkler.
Yeah.
Giant sparkler.
I mean, what's coming up for fireworks though?
New Year's?
Already eating the thing.
Bro, yeah.
How does it taste?
It's ice cream. It's good. It's good, fuck.
But what's coming up for fireworks?
New Year's?
I guess they'll be up here for New Year's.
Yeah, I think we're great for New Year's.
All right, man. We appreciate it.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
For any Patel brothers watching this, y'all let us know what that means, man. Translate for us. They got the beautiful Tesla, though. I would love to have a Tesla like that. Yep, with their culture on the dash, man. Shout out to Patel brothers, man. Shout out to the store. Wow, they got heavy security in here. Yeah, shout out to the baddie inside, man. And this has been another vlog, man. You know, I want to show y'all my license plate again, but I be forgetting, you know, I can't show y'all my license plate because y'all be acting weird and doing weird stuff with it. So, you know, but it's the end of the vlog, man. Oh, what did you say the ice cream was? 1 out of 10? I forgot. It didn't have no nuts in it or nothing? Because you know they be putting nuts in everything. What the fuck is that? Nah, that look like a drone, bitch.
It's a plane?
That's a small ass plane, bruh.
Yeah, it's a private jet.
Bro, that shit didn't even look like a private jet. It was so small, bro.
That's what usually lands at that airstrip. It's only like, because it's a private airport.
Sheesh, the Patel brothers. What you think next to the Patel brothers?
There's a KMG right there. You know, the suit where you get suits and shit.
Oh, okay.
And then there's the Red Lobster next to that.
Sheesh. All right, y'all, man. It's the end of the vlog, man. Patel Brothers vlog. We went to Patel Brothers. I really need to get a thumbnail, so let me walk in front of this for my thumbnail, boy. Shout out to my boy who been doing the thumbnails, man. He been moving kind of slow, but he gives us quality thumbnails. We about to put him to work once we go out here in Denver. So we right here at Patel Brothers. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Patel Brothers, man. Y'all see it, man. Patel Brothers. Glad we got a thumbnail. But yeah, man. Appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Y'all stay tuned for the next one.